What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I hope you guys are having a wonderful kickoff to your weekend so far. So it is Saturday. We have some great crypto news for you guys coming up about the DeFi information and a little bit about the ETH. Talk about the Ethereum. I love this background. It's crazy, right? All these Ethereum coins stacked up behind me. But yeah, so we're going to talk about some news. Hey, by the way, I wanted to say thank you guys really for supporting my channel. It's really been a blessing for real here lately. It's been awesome to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a goal. I have a goal currently of 1,111 subscribers, and my birthday is on January 31st. So if you're watching this video and you want to help give me a birthday present, all you got to do is hit subscribe. The videos are great. The content is awesome. The crypto and the surfing. So stick with me. Here we go. Multiple DeFi mainstays crack top 20 in long-awaited great repricing. For DeFi believers, vindication has been every bit as profitable as it has been sweet. Hardcore decentralized finance DeFi adherents woke up today to a long-awaited sight on CoinGecko's top 100 rankings by market cap. Native tokens for popular DeFi platforms such as Synthetics and Aave have cracked into the top 20, and Event DeFi observers have heralded the great repricing. DeFi investors, users, and builders have long argued that the sector writ large is widely undervalued relative to other cryptocurrency projects, given DeFi's growing user bases, cash flows from protocol fees, and soaring levels of activity compared to zombie chain layer 1 networks scattered throughout the top of the marketplace rankings. Eric ETH said Aave and Synthetics have broken the top 20 and passed Tezos and Tron in market cap. Remember the great DeFi repricing I've been ranting about for months? Yeah, it's happening. Soon, the top 10 will be ETH, BTC, and DeFi. If the past week is any indication, the wider market appears to have fallen or finally woken up to the incongruities. SNX and Aave are up 40% and 74% on the week, both topping $2.3 billion by market cap and eclipsing layer ones such as Tezos and Tron. And Arthur Tech says Aave have a higher market cap than Tron and $XTZ Tezos now, according to CoinGecko. I have maintained this view since late 2019 that top DeFi crypto will gradually overtake these old layer 1 coin in the top 20 spot by market cap. The moves follow promising developments for both projects. Aave has a proposal in the works that, if approved by governance, will alter the $370 million safety module to potentially create a whole new insurance product line, while Synthetics has been buoyed by the launch of layer 2 scaling solution. What's more, some think this could be just the starter for DeFi assets as the new alt season dawns. As Jose says here in his thread, indeed, even if no new money enters the space, we see this repricing being corrected by the market as money flows towards the only vertical in crypto showing signs of product market fit. However, it will be a bumpy ride, as you can't have massive upside without volatility. While this is an important milestone, it is only the beginning of a trend we've been talking about for a while, said Delphi digital partner Jose Macedo in an interview with Cointelegraph. In terms of where this is going, the TAM for consumer finance is $3.2 trillion. We see the value prop for DeFi as doing to finance what the internet did to data, transforming financial primitives into money Legos and creating an open ecosystem that enables permissionless innovation across the stack. It's a long-term view that could have accomplishments like reaching the top 20 by cryptocurrency rankings seem like a pittance, but Mercedes warns that the road to reaching such lofty goals won't necessarily be a smooth one. While the general direction is clear, it's worth remembering that you cannot have massive upside without volatility. We are undoubtedly in for a bumpy ride with regulation looming large and DeFi being declared dead many times over. So what do you guys feel is going on in the crypto markets? Do you feel that the old zombie layer one tokens, as they said in this article here, is going to be kind of a thing of the past, obviously staying stable in the marketplace with all these new DeFi tokens and new layer 2 coming out with Ether 2.0 and different protocols coming out? What are you thinking as far as the future of crypto? Where are you? Where are you putting your money? Where are you excited about trading and investing in crypto? Comment down below and let us know what you guys are thinking. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Hit that thumbs up, smash it. Thank you guys so much. I am winning and so are you guys. See you later.